Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well today. I will do unboxing of Black Friday Pink Panda mystery bag. I think that's the right name. And aside from the mystery bag, I also have the Pink Panda secret bag. So yep. So I'm going to do unboxing of two mystery bag from Pink Panda. So yep, I just got it today. Here is the bags are in this box. So yeah, I have different background right now. And let's check. I just bought like one advent calendar, so I don't have so much items here that I can show you. So on their Black Friday, I think you have to purchase worth 49 euros of items to get the mystery bag. It was before like 75 euros, and when I saw it was around like around 49, I think I purchased this. And the secret bag, you need to pay extra for it. It was like 9 euros and 99 cents, and then you will, I cannot remember what's the worth of the mystery bag. I think it's 30 euros worth of items. So here it is. So yeah, ooh, we have a lot of things here, which I'm excited to see. It will be a big mess, so I'm going to move this here on the side. Let's check this one out. So yeah, I ordered one. I ordered one advent calendar, which I will unbox later. And so the Pink Panda's secret bag, I paid 9 euros and 99 cents, which is worth 30 euros and 99 cents. And then the Black Friday mystery bag cost me, yeah, for free. But yeah, you need to buy items from them. So I'm not sure which I'm going to open. So yeah, I actually have this Revolution Pro CC Cream Perfecting Foundation SPF 30. I think this is very dark shade. This is in the shade of, I don't know, F10. But yeah, I have like some product that will make this foundation work for NYX. So yeah, then here are the two mystery bag I'm going to unbox today. So yeah, I'm very excited. So maybe I'm going to unbox this Black Friday mystery bag before the secret bag. So yeah, I have scissors ready, and let's cut this one now. So you can check what's inside. So now let's start with the first product or item. First is I have this Burgundy Glamour makeup sponge from Miami. That's how it looks like. Nice. This is the first time I got a sponge from the mystery bag from Pink Panda. Next, ooh, wow, this is a doll eyeshadow palette box. These are the shades at the back. That's how the palette looks like. Oh wow. Look at this one. It's nice. I love this one. So yep, it's very pretty. Next, the next item is, oh, we have Collagen Wear Volume Mascara from Lovely brand. That's how it looks like. I'll probably try this one. Haven't tried any product from Lovely, I think. I have a lot of, maybe I have a few items, but I'm more familiar with Miami than Lovely. So this is the last item. This is Miami Magic Lipstick. So I don't know the shade of this lipstick, but it's like purple or violet color, and that's it. But there's bronze ticket. Oh, this is a bronze ticket. Hey, So yeah, they used to have like the bronze, silver, and gold mystery bag. So I got the bronze. This is how it looks like. I forgot that they have like that. I did not notice when I was ordering it. So now let's proceed with the Pink Panda secret bag. This is how it looks like. It's actually like in a paper. So the first one, the Black Friday mystery bag, I got 4 items, and I'm not sure, it's not really that heavy, but it's well packed. Ooh. Okay. It's stapler aside from the thing. So items are here. You can see. First item should be worth 30 euros and 99 cents, like 31 euros. I got this. I just gave it to someone. This is the Mayani Petite eyeshadow. Single eyeshadow. That's how it looks like. It's like some pinkish shade. I did not try any of this eyeshadow. Next item is then we have Brow Nutrition Castor Oil Macadamia Oil Green Tea. This is a brow thing, brow product. So eyebrow gel, I think. So yep, this is, I don't know how much is this product. Yeah, there's no information, but there's like some good ingredients like green tea, betaine, castor oil, and macadamia oil. Next item, that's the second, is, oh, this is cute. This is Weibo $1 Million Black Eyeliner. I don't use eyeliner now, but look at the packaging, black and gold color. It's very nice. Yes, I'm not going to open any of these products since I don't use a lot of makeups nowadays. Normally I gave them to people, relatives, family, friends, yep, like that. Next is we have this fabulous Full Bloom lip gloss from Weibo. That's actually nice. It's like with shimmer shade, some shimmer glitters. Can you see? It's like champagne color. Nice. That's the third item. Oh no. Yeah, the fourth. This is the last. Wow, this blush lights face palette from Revolution. Nice. I like this kind of like face palette because it's easy to travel with this kind of palette. You can use this as an eyeshadow. You have everything in one palette. So let's open this one. I want to check this, how it looks like. So I have the blush lights. Maybe I have like bronzer, some. Wow, the packaging is actually good. Up. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Two shimmer, and it's like this is maybe a bronzer, this is some kind of orangey blush, and these are shimmers. You can use them for your eyeshadow as well. It's nice color, and they have a nice mirror, which is good. I'm happy I got a face palette from this secret bag. So that's all that I got from Pink Panda secret bag and mystery bag. So I got like 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 items from the secret bag, and then I got 4 items from the Black Friday mystery bag. So I'm actually happy with the things that I got this time. I actually really love this eyeshadow palette. Look at that. So yeah, that's all. Let's check if they gave me some freebie. Nah, nothing. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by and watching until the end. I hope to see you again, see you around, and thank you so much and have a great December. Bye bye.